this live build series with UPLEVEL CRM. Bit of a hectic day today. I'm running a bit late, but we've still made it live for Monday. And one of the reasons that we're a bit later today is because I want to answer a couple of questions that came in over the course of the last 2 weeks, all based on how do I organize my CRM? How do I structure things? It's all very well and good saying, build this and add some more tags and then create a form, but it's already such a mess. How do I organize and name things so that it's easy to navigate and easy to find the right funnel and the right form, and you know which thing goes with what? And they are really, really good questions. And so this week I want to slow down a little bit and revisit visit for the first time, some of the principles that I use when working with my clients and with working within my own CRM to structure things, to think about things. And I think it's really, really going to help. I've got a couple of resources to share as the week goes on. I'm going to share a spreadsheet that helps you with naming conventions and a few other bits and pieces. So I'm really looking forward to that. But today I just want to take a pause and just kind of dive into how to organize your CRM. Okay. So let me find the right screen. Where are we? Nope. Okay. Right, there it is. Splendid. So let me open this up for you. So in order to accomplish everything I say that I can help you accomplish, less admin, more growth, a smarter way to run your business, we need to rewind and change the lens through which we view our CRM, because a CRM is not just a database of contacts and leads. Your CRM is the engine that runs your business. And in order for that engine to work, it has to be set up and structured in the right way. Okay, so this is how most people feel. Completely overwhelmed. Their CRM's a disaster. They've got things everywhere. They've got funnels. They've got different reports. They've got lead sources that they don't know where they're coming from. They've got dashboards that they don't know how to interpret. They've got tasks that they don't know where they've originated, why, and what the deadline is. So it just becomes absolute chaos. And in order to overcome this chaos, we have to look at the 4 key functions of a business, essentially. And we then construct our CRM so that it reflects those 4 key functions. Now, what are they? They are how we attract new customers, how we convert new customers, how we deliver to existing customers, and internal administration. They are the 4 functions. Everything else, everything you do in your business fits inside one of those 4 boxes. And it looks just like this. When they work together, when they interlink, you have a seamless picture and a seamless and scalable business. Okay. So what is attract? What do I mean when I say attract? So attract is everything that brings new people into your world. So these are ways that you generate new leads, the opt-in forms that capture the information, the landing pages that host the forms, ads that you're running, and your content marketing. Okay, in your CRM, the attract function organizes and tracks all of these touch points. Okay, organizes and tracks. So you can interpret and understand what is happening with all of these touch points. You have to know where your leads are coming from, how effective, how well you're converting them, how effective your marketing is. Okay, and the features in UPLEVEL or Go High Level that you'd be using is funnels and landing pages, websites, forms, surveys, calendars for booking appointments, social media planner, maybe SMS and email marketing campaigns, call tracking if you've got outbound calls going on, and reputation management because you want to generate good reviews for your business so you attract more business. Okay, what does convert look like? This is where those relationships that you're building and attract turn into revenue. This covers your sales pipeline, any consultations or appointments that you're having, proposals, follow-ups, and nurture sequences. The convert functions of your CRM ensure no lead is left behind. Follow-up is key. That's where most businesses fall down, and it's one of the first things I work on with people. So we need to have clear visibility on your deal stages, so on where people are inside your pipeline. We need to automate follow-ups so that nobody gets lost. And that's going to support consistent sales activity. It means you're going to make money more consistently over time. The features that you'll be using would be opportunities or sales pipelines, workflow automations, automated follow-ups, SMS, email conversations. So you can see these overlap a little bit. And that's why it's important to have a structure and a system for naming and filing all of the different assets for your different functions, and understanding that this is a convert function and this is an attract function and this is a deliver function makes it much easier to categorize and name funnels, landing pages, emails, so that you know why an email is being sent, who's going to be receiving it, and what it's meant to be doing. Okay, we're also going to use proposals, contracts, and tasks in our convert function. In deliver, this is how you fulfill all the promises that you've made in your attract and convert stages. It's how you deliver your thing, your service, to your clients. So this might include onboarding, client communication, task management to make sure that everything is being done for the clients, and ways to track the progress of a project or a client through your coaching program, for example. Inside your CRM, the deliver functions create a smooth client journey. They reduce the number of admin tasks that you need to do because you're automating these tasks, and it makes sure that every client feels valued, supported, and informed. If you can do those three things for every client, you will have clients that love you, refer you, and stay with you for a really long time. And what we use in UPLEVEL would be client portals. We might have membership areas. We might have courses. We might have automated onboarding sequences, internal task workflows to make sure that your coaches or your team or your VA are performing all the things that they need to for your client success, appointment reminders, recurring billing and subscriptions, and surveys to get that all-important customer feedback. And then lastly, internal administration. I just call this internal for reasons you'll discover later in the week. But this is the operational backbone of your business. It includes team workflows, reporting, data hygiene, so making sure your list is clean, and administrative automations. It keeps everything running smoothly behind the scenes so your systems remain reliable, organized, and scalable. So here, the features that we would use in a CRM would be dashboard reporting for your funnels, for your sales, and for your marketing. We would have lead source reporting. We would have the different user roles and permissions, custom fields, custom tags, data deduplication. So, making sure that we don't have multiples of Facebook ads being reported or multiple contacts being added. How to archive assets. That's really important when you're no longer using something. What do you do with it? Internal notifications and task workflows. Okay, so lots and lots of stuff to do there. And again, this is how it all works together inside your business. Okay. And I just want to iterate, it's not about getting more tools. It's about having the right tool doing the right thing. You don't need to have 20 different platforms to do your attract and your convert and your deliver, and then something else to do your internal administration and your reporting and your task management. It's just about having the right tool doing the right thing. And that's one of the reasons that I love Go High Level so much. And that's why I've created my own white label, UPLEVEL, because it is a fantastic tool and it can do everything that your business needs. We just need to structure it and build it the right way. But when you identify those 4 functions, it makes it so much easier to run your CRM, to review it, to find gaps and overlaps, and to improve what you're doing. So many people that I speak to can't improve because they don't know what they're doing. Structuring and thinking about things in this way, in the 4 functions, is going to make your life so much easier. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing this week, because when you've got it all set up properly, it is less admin, it's more growth, it's more fun, it's more money, it's more time, more of everything that you want. All right, so join me again tomorrow, and we're going to be diving into the next stage of how do we then structure everything within inside the account based on these 4 functions. All right,